Welcome to SEW-EURODRIVE in Lyman, South Carolina. What we want to do today is show you what we do here. So we manufacture, we assemble our core product along with our electronic portfolio and our big industrial gear motors. So come with us, it's going to be fun, you get to see what we do. Let's go. Welcome to Lyman Manufacturing, where we do the machining of the housings, the bevel sets, and the output shafts. Here we have Lyman Assembly. It's one of 5 assembly plants for our core products in the United States. Here in Lyman, you'll also find assembly of our electronic portfolio. For applications needing large industrial gear motors, we turn to our experts in Welford for engineering and assembling of these products. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you learned something. See you next time.